You're basically seeing a scenario here where you have a very small deployment. Perhaps a promotion chain of some kind. You have development, and then you have test, and then you move up into higher scale with UAT, and then you promote to prod for people that like to do things that way. But the key here is that what happens in this type of situation where you just have two chassis and you're using the same criteria where reps is equal to 2 for the objects that are stored in the cluster. So let's kick off the failure mode here and talk through it. So one of the chassis goes down. The simple thing to bear in mind here is that there's no place to recover the content to true it back up to its policy, for protection scheme when this happens. So you're basically running in what amounts to a degraded mode. Now, as long as nothing happens to the first chassis, you're okay. The clients can come in, they can read data, and they could even write data potentially, given certain settings that are dropped in that we typically don't recommend in production. But you definitely can read the data, but there's nowhere to recover it to. So you have to wait for that second chassis to be repaired or to come back online before things can be trued back up in the cluster again.